take a look. I want to show it to you. Cheese pizza, the original tomato pie, splash tomato pie, meatball with carb, and the classic one. Now it's my turn.
Yeah.
But at the end, I want you to approve this pizza.
Ah, okay. All right. I'll try to be a good judge.
Okay, let's make
a
this
fair
pizza.
judge. Okay.
Let's make this pizza. Hello guys, from my street Iacopelli. Welcome back to my channel. Like you see, behind me is one historical pizza place. Is because today they are going to celebrate 100 years old open. You believe this? And I'm a special guest to this amazing party. It's insane the history. It's insane the pizza. It's insane what they do. It's insane everything. This video deserves a like, a subscribe, and deserves to be seen until the end. And also, these little two kids, they also going to make the pizza. Are you guys ready to make the pizza? They just wake up because we just got back here in New Haven directly from Italy. Thank you so much, Frank Pepe, to having me as a guest. Enough talking, the party's already started, and you guys watch this from the beginning because I'll see you in a little bit. Smash the like and watch until the end. Francesco, a question for you, Francesco. How come you guys don't use the semolina?
Non lo so, it's always been farina.
Yeah? Farina.
It's always been farina. What about an apron?
It's okay. Yeah, give me the apron, yeah.
You want mine?
Give me yours. It's gonna be on. This way it looks like I'm working. Olive oil. I'll make this pizza with meat lover. I'm making meat lover.
You're making a meatloaf.
I don't know how you guys do the meat lover. You have sausage?
Just lots of meat.
Meat. Then fresh oregano. Then pecorino on top. Then olive oil.
Very uniform.
Attenzione. That's it. Now we wait 10 minutes. Yeah. You said 10 minutes.
Yeah, at least.
The pizza in general needs to be made fast. Otherwise the pizza will stick.
You ready to go? You ready to come to work? There you go. You want to try?
Yeah. Pronta? Oh, pizza is almost ready. The bottom is good, so we keep it there.
Oh, that's right. That's good. Yeah. There you go.
See? Open it. Okay. Let's make it big. That's good, that's good. Al centro. Vai. Brava. Piano piano. Vai. She's used to make them smaller, you know, Neapolitan style, but oh. Tieni, tieni. All the way. Tira, 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 tira. Brava! We made it. Pizza is ready. Smells the bacon, my God. Bottom. Okay, it's good.
Yeah.
Okay, soft and crunchy in the same time. Voila, pizza at Frank Pepe, 100 years old after. Approve or no?
I approve of it. It's wonderful.
Grazie, Francesco.
Thank you very much.
Get the pizza, get it all on the peel.
Pretty good.
The smiley face, no more smiley face. It's time to taste because otherwise we need to approve 100%.
I think so, absolutely.
Okay, chin chin.
Thank you. Here we
Vai.
Ottimo.
Approved. Grazie Francesco. We are about to meet Francesco and ask the big question. Super glad to came all the way from Italy.
I'm honored to have you here as well.
Literally
You
from
know
Italy
that.
for this amazing event.
Thank you.
This whole experience because
One question.
I'm a person that almost made it to 70 years, but today you made it to 100 years. This, first of all, big respect because
Thank
this
you
is
so
not
much, Vito. It means so
easy
much to us.
at all.
The whole family, it means so much to us.
Tell me,
Thank you.
how did you make it to 100 years old
Now,
business?
You're asking for secret ingredients. Amore, love between two people, have dreams and aspire to do something in their lives. They wanted to dream together, and he invented an incredible product, beautiful pizza.
I know
And it
this
was
is one of the
successful.
best pizza I ever tasted in my life. I believe the secret is the oven. I come from a big family too, and the restaurant business is so stressful. How did you manage with all the family to bring this pizza place to 100 years?
Not without difficulty, of course, as you know.
I know.
Not without difficulty. Generational transfer is difficult, you know?
Yes.
So we got to the third generation. So this is what we did, and we decided to expand because we weren't going to be here forever.
So
and
you
we
give
wanted the business to continue.
You give a pizza place to each people the hot head. Wow.
The passion, of course.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Again,
Vito.
so now,
Pleasure.
are you ready to show me this 100 years old pizza business?
Of course, I'm happy, but I want to learn from you too.
Oh, it's okay.
You're a maestro yourself.
I can only learn. So you are the
true.
difference.
Thank you. Yeah.
I'm happy to be here. We're gonna show them how 100 years old the pizza is.
Okay. It's an honor to have you. Thank you.
So guys, let's go inside and let's see. The pizza.
Okay.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. That's the thing. I'm still trying to get ready. Here we go. Io voglio usare un altro tipo di pasta. I have my secret dough. I had to go a little ways to catch it, to get it. Okay. So there we go. Le vongole non molto oreganate.
Pecorino, right?
Pecorino. This is the original. You could go with a little garlic. My grandfather preferred the plain original tomato pizza with black pepper. It's great. It's great there, but I won't put that on now. Excellent, excellent.
Cesco, what do you do with this? How do you light up this coal?
We started with wood every morning. We started with wood.
Regular wood.
Yeah, well, yeah. It's a kiln dried wood, and then we started with that. We have to drop the fire, and we have to start again a brand new fire, fresh fire.
The coal.
And then we use the coal. Then we
You put it inside there.
yeah, and then we ignite it. We put a little draft. We put a little draft up. No, yeah. Molto caldo.
That's where the heat comes from. Ooh, it's hot. What are you looking for perfection? Soft and crunchy?
Yes, but with a little bit of. I want to make sure it's fully baked.
Okay.
Yeah, which it is. It's a little light, but for clam it needs to be lighter. Otherwise, it will be overcooked. The crust itself has some body. It has some height to it, and the perception might be, well, that looks like a thick pizza. It's not necessarily a thick pizza, because if the dough is correct and it has enough air in it, in the bodies of the dough itself, it will rise beautifully. It'll cook beautifully. So what do we like about this? Obviously there's char all around. If you notice the way the texture of the dough has risen, I'm not flattening it out. I'm tempering it with my fingers. That's original. There you go.
Grazie Francesco. And here we go, guys. The party just started. Let's see what's going on.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning. And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all.
Like after 100 years old, open is insane. This is my beautiful family. So these are the pizza trays. After 100 years, they still use the same thing. I mean, did you see this?
No, it's already inside.
Guys, these are the pizzas from Frank Pepe. What an honor. We have it all here. The whole menu. Take a look. I want to show it to you. Cheese pizza. What else? The original tomato pie. This splash tomato pie. Meatball with carne. Pepperoni. And the classic one.
This incredible limited New Haven, Connecticut. My grandfather was Frank Pepe, gentle man, very soft-spoken man.
You like the pizza? And guys, you know what? After this event, I have to say, I don't care about the people, I care about the pizza. This pizza is insane. This pizza is all for me. I'm gonna enjoy this pizza. Thank you so much for watching. Come and visit Frank Pepe. Thank you so much for watching. Guys, I'll see you at the next one. Every week, new video. Now, I'm going back to Bari. I'll see you at the next one. Ciao.